Inches on them, honey. Inches on them.
Eyes closed, I see it. Whole life, I breathe it. Don't wait, I be it. Blessings, I receive it. No proof, still popping. No check, still shopping. Don't need no signs, I know. I'm chosen, watch me glow.
As y'all can see straight out of the pack, texture ain't down, okay? The texture is a yaki straight, so it's gonna give you that, okay, this is my hair, right? That's what we want Bobs to get. But like, I'm really living for how thick this is. I don't remember it being this thick. Is this new? Is it upgraded? Because I had this before. If y'all know me, y'all know I rock with Nadula. But look at this. Look at all that body. Let's talk about... Look at y'all. Look at this. What it look like on the back of my hand, okay? Everything is already done for us. We don't even have to cut, no lace. We ain't gotta do none of that. So this is exactly the type of vibe that I'm going for today. All right, let's see what she's going to give. Y'all see scale? Okay, Nadula. Okay. Now I'm feeling this hairline. Look at this freaking hairline. Please don't even. And do y'all see? First of all, like, wait. I just clocked this. Look how flat this lays from ear to ear. Oh, Nadula. Y'all wasn't coming to play. Look how flat it lays. Like, it's no gaps. Making sure everything is where I want it. Let me move my braid down, because this don't be causing it to sit properly on the back of my head. I adjusted the elastic band. I'm going with the drawstring. Y'all know it. They come with these now. This helps. Hopefully y'all can see it. This helps tighten your unit. So just pull it tight to your liking, and you're gonna take that little bead and you're gonna slide that up, and it's gonna lock it in. Oh, this ain't going nowhere. This ain't going no freaking where. Y'all not gonna need no lace spray, because the way they're making this, okay, it is not glued down. You can lift it up. This is a freaking closure, okay? So you still can part anywhere you'd like. If you want to do a side part, you can do that. All right, so I'm gonna take my foundation, Born This Way Soft Matte. Per use, you're gonna take a little bit of it, put it on the back of your hand, dab it in your brush, and dab it right on that lace, like this. And that's it. I am gonna go in with my Sebastian and melt this down, because I like for my foundation to blend in with my forehead. Oh, why would I do that? I'm supposed to be taking it and spraying it on my finger like that. So you are gonna need your blow dryer so you can dry it down. But like I said before, it's hairspray, not lace adhesive spray. All right, so we're gonna sit this on like so. Y'all, this hair feels so good. I got my Nadula brush. Y'all see this? Look how the ends are already like that. Like, should I curl them that way? I don't think so. But this is what the hair looks like straight out the pack. Now, I wouldn't say you can, if you don't really mind like the bends and the naturalness of the wig, you can move on and just leave it like this. But I really like everything to flow cohesively. This is not one of them blunt bob wigs either. It's just like a natural flowy wig. You can straighten it out, trim it up. It's straight scalp. Oh, it is straight up scalp. Please don't even. Okay, well, at least while we're waiting on our flat iron, I can go with my hot comb. And I'm just gonna spray a little bit of hairspray, because I don't. So I'm gonna take this piece and do the chase method and just go on in and straighten her out. That is pretty. Baby, this is my real hair. Okay, I just came from the salon getting my hairdy. And I do not, when I have wigs like this, I do not like for it to look like perfection. Okay, I don't want my part crispy. I just want everything to look like, okay, that's her hair, that's her hair. Going in with this little bit of gummy styling wax, and we're just gonna lightly just put it on there. So I'm taking my Born This Way concealer in the shade Butterscotch, and I'm just gonna get just the tiniest bit. I'm even gonna tap off the excess of that, and I'm just going to define my part very lightly. And like I said, mine might look a little weird because I put bronzer on the outside, so it may look warmer than it should. I don't know how it's paying off on camera, but that bronzer made my hairline a little warmer. Yeah. Please. Please. Okay, we done. All right, we done. So this is what it looks like straight out the box. It was super easy, super quick. Again, no lace sprays. Just a little, you know, refreshing of the hair. And here we are. Y'all see all this body and bounce it has? I have not co-washed it. I have not washed it at all. And it's given like this. Just took the front and just cut it. Like that. What do y'all think? And I just wanted to do some natural styles, putting it behind your ear. I don't know. It just screams, this is your hair when you do that. I don't have no complaints. I didn't receive any tangling with this unit. I probably got just an antsy bit of shedding. It's just a beautiful, beautiful wig. Y'all see the density. I just love how everything flows. But I love me some Nadula Hair. I love their yaki wigs. I've always have. It is so freaking pretty. It's so natural. I love it, girl. Inches on them, honey. Inches on them. Inches on them. If you guys enjoyed this wig, which I know you did, you better check in the description section and go copy you 2, 3, 4, 5 of them before they're gone. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. Again, until my next one, you go see you later. Bye guys.
Don't need the views, I bet on self, don't need applause, I'm already loud.